In this video, I will be teaching you how I built the best voice AI agent with n8n and ElevenLabs. So you all simply need two stuff. First of all, is going to be your n8n subscription. Once you have that, it is going to be used for automation. Then you are going to be adding an action in an app, and in that you're going to be installing ElevenLabs. So search in here in the search bar on the top right side, ElevenLabs. You can see we have official ElevenLab integration showing up, which we need to be installing. I have already installed it, so installed is written. So once you have that, you can get a voice. You can define different type of credentials to connect with. In the drop down menu, you can see we have create new credential. We can add in here API key, which is from ElevenLab application. So head over to your ElevenLab application, just like that, ElevenLab.io, and go to the app from the top right side of your screen, and you can also easily integrate your API key. So to get an API key, click onto this option, and this is going to be your API key. Create API key, and yeah, you can see a random name is already given. Copy to clipboard, and now we need to go back and um, enter our API key in here, right? So click on new credential, API key, and save. And now you can see the credential is successfully created. Connection is tested also successfully. Once you go back, now you can easily do and choose your voices and integrate and create your best voice agent. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.